but you offer it for free. What's happening with your free event? Number one, say you got a room like this. Have somebody to take pictures of you doing a live seminar. Now you can put that on your website. You can record like what I'm doing right now, and you've got a recording that you can take a little clip of and put it on your website. Now I have to show you maybe how to do some of that. Thirdly, what else can you do? You can get testimonials. How did you like the seminar? Y'all with that? I'm talking about from a free seminar, all this stuff is happening. You're getting now some feedback, some testimonials you can put on your website, so now other people are saying it was awesome. I hope y'all getting that.
Yes. Put on your face.
But now you got other people talking about you. You got an audio recording so you can see how you did, but also that you can use for marketing. You have pictures of you doing a live event, which creates what? Credibility. You actually were in front of a room live. And there's a fourth thing you could do with that as well. You can get yourself videotaped where now you have some video footage of yourself. So, and then another thing I just want to mention to you. Hotels, yeah, they cost. So you do have some cost there. But there's public libraries that cost $20 for 2-3 hours. So you can do it in a public library first while you're starting out. You pay $20. Put people in a room. Take pictures. And at your free event, you offer them, because the headache is in the front end, the money's in the back end, now you can offer them something that they can pay for if you deliver value to them. And what I have learned is if you deliver value, it's like eating a good meal. I don't mind paying for the meal. It was phenomenal. I hope y'all getting that.